Spelling word number 1. Spell the word mall. The word mall means a group of stores and often restaurants. Here's an example sentence. You go to the mall. Again, spell the word mall. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 2. Spell the word wall. The word wall means a structure meant to enclose or shut off a space. Here's an example sentence. The wall is red. Again, spell the word wall. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 3. Spell the word roll. The word roll means to move or cause to move by turning over and over on a surface without sliding. Here's an example sentence. The dogs roll on the floor. Again, spell the word roll. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 4. Spell the word full. The word full means containing as much or as many as possible or normal. Here's an example sentence. The battery is full. Again, spell the word full. Timer starts now. Number 5. Listen and fix the words below to create a sentence. The sentence is: the balls roll in the mall. The balls roll in the mall. The timer starts now.